Welcome to our channel, Lynn's Kashif. Today's vlog, guys, is a continuation of me making updates and renovating my actual property before I put it on the market to have tenants being in. Since the previous tenants left, I just want to make some minor, updates, and of course, increase the property value of my home and everything before I put it back onto market and everything. So, yeah, so let me have you guys come in. Again, like I said, just an update. So, of course, part one, you saw what the floors looked like before. But now the floor is already laid out, really, really nice. It looks great. Of course, now I just needed, the last step is to paint, guys. So, of course, I went to my local Home Depot here in the US to get the paint that I need. Again, it's mainly for touch-ups, not a full paint job, because as you can see, guys, the paint still looks good in my actual house. It's just a matter of touching up. Like where they put the caulk in the drywall to cover up the holes. So I just need to sand that down good and paint over that. But here's the actual floors, guys. So I wanted you guys to see how it looks now, because you saw before with just the linoleum, right? So now you see how it looks now with the actual tiles down. Looks really, really nice. Very satisfied with the work that was done. So it looks good. Happy. So yeah, guys. So again, this is what I need to get done. And one of the main reasons why I'm still here in US and not in Philippines now with Lynn, because I had to make sure, of course, can't be walang pera there in Philippines. You gotta have some source of income. So it's a beautiful country, but you need money. So this is my money maker. So yeah, so this is my home, guys. Like I said, I got this when I was 28, almost 28, going into being my 29th birthday. And my goal was to have a house by 30 years old. So I managed to pull it off when I was 28. So I was very happy with that. Of course, it's a big, big accomplishment, especially my age, so young and everything. So, yeah, so I still love my home. It's a beautiful place. But again, I enjoy staying here, of course. But again, everything changed the moment I met Lynn. Hi, sana all, guys. So, and everything kind of changed. So, of course, to make our relationship work, I said to myself, how can I really make it work? With me being here in the States while she's in Philippines. So I said to myself, I needed some money, generate some income while abroad. So I decided to rent my actual property out. So when I'm abroad and you see me with Lynn, someone's staying here as a tenant in my actual property. So, but anyhow, let me go ahead and just show you guys now you saw the floors there. Let me show you the bathroom, guys. So, let me see here. Here, you see the floors now. So remember how it looked before, but now it's nice and tiled up. But again, like I said, guys, I just need to touch up to draw the walls here now. So that's what I plan on doing now. So of course I'll make a finale vlog when I get to show you that, how it looks, everything's nice and painted. But yeah, like I said, it's coming along nicely. Everything's going according to plan. Like I said, my itinerary for getting everything completed was going into the month of June, which we are. So pretty much everything is done. Tiled floors here now, as you can see. Everything's nice and tiled. Of course, new toilet, so a fresh look. So just to future-proof everything, guys. So everything's like updated look, nice style. So yeah. Took quite a bit of scrubbing, but as you can see, it's kind of clear now. No more that white chalk inside where the holes were at. So cleared it up. Here's some of the debris of it when I was scraping it off, guys. So took some work, but again, it's coming along nicely. Yeah, so even on my off, work. But yeah, guys, like I said, if everything goes according to plan, how I have everything planned out, that is that starting maybe mid-July, is when I'm going to pretty much have my realtor really push it in terms of my actual putting my house out there. Or beginning of July, there'll be a new tenant here. So in the meantime, just touching up, getting things ready and situated. So gotta still continue with these higher spots. Take at least a little ladder to get me up there a little bit. But scrape this stuff off. So yeah, this is what Kashif's been up to. Work. And housework. Yep. Kapoy at lao. Yes, guys. So, Work's not done. So, coming along good. So I'll move, transition, probably further down now. But yeah, so inside the actual living room and dining room area now is cleared up. So now it's just a matter of me going, to the other rooms now. So I need to move out my furniture that I have left over because she doesn't want, any of the furniture here. She's moving her own stuff, furniture into my actual house. So that's the last step I need to do now, guys. So only thing that she pretty much wants is just, my appliances being, my refrigerator and, stove and stuff like that. So I just need to move, my little drawers here, move my dresser there, and of course my bed here. Of course, I'll break this down and move this all downstairs. Moving everything out now, y'all. So, yeah, so just like I said, the finale, guys. Moving everything out. Got my cousins here to assist me with the truck. So, again, I already bought my furniture for part downstairs in the garage. And now it's just a matter of just transitioning it on there and taking it back to my place. And that's it, y'all. So, this is it, guys. This is it. That's it. Everything is finished now. My tenants officially move in tomorrow, August 1st. As I'm filming this, so yeah, guys, it's all completed now. Of course, I left the garage door opener for them. Everything's done. It's been hard work, but it's all paid off. Everything is finished now, guys. So everything is nice, painted now. Everything's done. Yes, everything's completed now. So ready for them when they move in. Of course, all the bedrooms, vacuum good. This room, vacuum good and everything. So everything's pretty much ready for them to come when they come. Of course, my bathroom here. Everything's completed now, guys. So yeah, so again, all the hard work is done now. So now it's just a matter of, the big move-in day for them tomorrow. And officially, I already signed my actual, lease contract for my actual tenants to have. Of course, they'll sign and everything once they arrive and do the, walkthrough of everything one last time. I officially have a tenant now and get a chance to save some money between now and, of course, December time when I go back to the Philippines to see Lynn. But yeah, guys, just wanted, to share my journey here. It's been a little bit rough sometimes, but again, all hard work pays off. So like I said, I'm definitely proud how everything turned out. And I'm happy, everything is kind of going according to plan. So now it's just, counting the days, counting the months, just continue to work until I leave to head back to Philippines. So that's it, guys. So again, this is Kashif from Lynn's Kashif channel. Of course, thank you all for watching and, of course, the continued support of our channel and everything. I'm about to get out of here. Of course, it's always raining here in Georgia now. I don't know why. So, of course, I just finished cutting my grass one last time. So, when my tenants do come, everything is nice and touched up for them and everything. So, but yeah, that's it, guys. So, okay, take care.